Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. Steve Hoong is my complete name. For those who don't know me yet, I am former depositor of Bangko Pilipino Dumaguete branch. Okay, by the way, my next video is about my, what do you call this, just in case if Bangko Pilipino will be reopened for third time with clear settlements. Actually, marami kaming goal sa mga Depositor Alliance na ikokompleto natin ang Metro Manila, all. Kasama na ang Pateros. By the way, Pateros is the only place in Metro Manila that is only municipal. Bakit ko nasabi ang Pateros? Kasi ang Pateros kasi sikat yan sa patis. At saka maraming sari-sari store. At saka meron sila yung parang yung negosyo ng yung parang duck. Yan. So, I was thinking na pwede din siya isama sa checklist sa Metro Manila. So, kung Kamanaba area, di ba? Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, Valenzuela. Kamanaba. So, kung South, so Makati, yung dating main office, yung na second closure. Kasama din yan. Taguig, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Muntinlupa. So, yun. Then, sa eastern part of Metro Manila, that is Pasig, Marikina, yan yung going Rizal. So, yun. By the way, ang Rizal province, may nagtanong sa akin kung Rizal, part pa siya sa Metro Manila. Kung Cainta or Antipolo, depende case to case basis. Kasi ang susunod kong video yung wala nang deposit quota per deposit transaction, savings or current. That is another video. Ito siya more on Metro Manila branches. So yun. By the way, yung Chinatown, that's under Manila. So sinet aside ko yung video na yun kasi ang Chinatown kasi wala sa banking history ng Bangko Pilipino. There was no Chinatown branches, which is in the heart of Binondo. So yun. Pero gaya na sinabi ko, it's hard to convince. Very hard to convince. It takes time. Hindi ganong kadali. Tapos San Juan, yung going Vera Mall, yan. Balik din yan. By the way, ang Quezon City, all districts, kasama Manila, all districts, I think 6 districts yata. Quezon City from 1st to 6 districts. Manila, 1st to 6 districts. Yung Makati, I think 1st and 2nd district, kasama na ang Pasig. All districts. So, ang point ko dito lahat, kompleto na. Ang with strong capital, of course. Siyempre, hindi tayo gagawa ng branches na walang what I call this, walang kasama na ang feasibility study. Then, by the way, majority is real estate owned. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya upa. So, yun. By the way, baka may nag-PM sa akin yung palang Ortigas. Di ba? Ortigas is under Pasig. Actually, ang mangyari ganito, may Ortigas Pasig at Ortigas Mandaluyong. So, different cities yan. So, walang problema. Tapos, Taguig, yung Bonifacio Global City, pasok din yun. Ano pa? Basta Kamanaba, Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, Valenzuela. Sorry, I forgot to inform. Valenzuela. Uulitin ko, ang Kamanaba is Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, Valenzuela. Bakit? Nandun lahat ang sari-sari store at ang mga vendors. Yun ang isipin niya. I already read the historical background sa Bangko Pilipino. Sa closing time, maraming klase. Kung mall siya, baka magaya tayo sa BDO 10 to 7. Then sa Sunday, depende kung papayag ang BSP. Mall branches. Okay. Tapos meron I was thinking din kung Saturday, first Saturday of the month. So, yun. Then, sa December, depende na kung papayag ang bangko, hindi. Yung, kung parang performing quasi-banking function. Kasi nag-apply sila ng Universal Bank that time. So, yun. So, that's it. Nasabi ko, kasama na Ortiga. So, kompleto na lahat. So, Metro Manila, and that includes Chinatown, Binondo. Okay. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Good afternoon.